Good morning. I am going to be, dare I even show? I'm going to be painting today, doing some painting projects with Bear. And I wanted to share with you my lily patio early in the morning. It's so nice here. Oh my gosh. Cleaned up a little bit, so I usually, I did this. Look at this, isn't this cute? Oh, my mom gave this stand to me years ago. I painted it black and I put succulent plants on there. Look at this little teacup, so cute. Bought these on clearance, they're like $6 a piece. But I love it, so adorable. And I'm gonna start this tomorrow. This is my little bicycle, stationary bicycle. I'm gonna be doing that and some weights. You're right. Some jumping maybe. You're right. Okay, so what I do is I go outside and I look at all the little, oh, so cute. It's so beautiful out here. It's gonna be hot later, that's why I'm up early. But look at this, it's so adorable. Oh, I put out my little fountain here. This is my potato plant. I heard that if you allow it to grow and wait for flowers, then you harvest them and let you allow the plants to die, and then you harvest the potatoes. I guess, I don't know, it's my first time doing it. We shall see. Air plants up here. This is a bell pepper plant. Tomato plant. My onions I had to cut back, green onions. I don't even know what that is. I have no idea, but it has these cute little purple flowers. So cute. And another strawberry plant that I'm trying to grow. And this one, oh my gosh, this one is just blooming strawberries all over. So pretty. Look at that, so cute. I do have to fix the little bugs that are all over eating my little leaves. I dislike those bugs. See that one right there? Don't know what you are, but you're going. Let's see. I'm going to put this plant back in the corner and get that one, put it over here. Because I call this the bonsai area. I'm gonna do that this morning, later on, when it's not so early. But I got this one from Home Depot, and this one from Home Depot. Actually, that one's from Lowe's, my new bonsai. And let's see, Mickey Mouse looking really good. I'm gonna give it maybe a couple more weeks. That ear is needing some more growth. It's looking great here. I bought this globe here, and it's really pretty at night. And let's check on about the new plant that I got. And this is the tree that I just got from my mother-in-law. It's a calamansi tree, and it's growing, likes it. And my new sweet bay leaf, I have to put more soil in that. And I wanted to show you an also amazing area here that I just made. Look at that, isn't it so cute? This is the apple tree that is growing quite steadily. And oh, I see a big spider right there. But the apple tree tree was growing so many apples. I had harvested them. This is a onion plant right here. And more succulents over there on that side. Yeah, so I'm gonna wake up and enjoy my garden a little bit more. Sweep up a little bit more, but look at this sitting area. Isn't this so cute? It's like an oasis, I was told. And I'm gonna have to harvest those lemons over there. There's too many, they're gonna fall. It's just, these lemons are just dropping from my neighbor's tree. It really loves my side right here. But yeah, I'm gonna have to check out. Oh my goodness! Look at these plants. I gotta go get some more bug spray. Oh, the blueberries. Oh my goodness. Blueberries are just, wow. I had to trim this plant. But yeah, there's my bonsai tree right there. Not bonsai, but Japanese maple. So pretty. I trimmed her. And over here, this is so cute. I got all these pine cones from the neighbors. And I lined them up on the, it's a cute way to display pine cones, I think. I love my little flags, hummingbird flags. It just makes it so much more prettier. And more tomato plants. This is a green bean plant. Put sticks on them so it could help grow. I'm gonna try this one thing later on with the green beans. But yeah, over here, raspberries. Look at that. Raspberries are growing. There's quite a few of them. And to find a spot for this. Yeah, something is eating it. I don't like that something is eating this. Disturbs me a lot. But let's go back inside to the patio and look at my, these are the plants that I keep inside because I don't like any bugs on them. I have to keep these puppies inside because I don't like how easily they could get chewed on by other bugs. Yeah, so they're inside. That's about it. I'm gonna go, and it's nice and cool right now, but later on it's gonna get hot in here. Yeah, I'm gonna go in and get ready to film. But I hope you guys have an amazing day.